Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Anywash and I'm back with another unboxing. Right, so you've seen the title and you've seen the box. It's quite a huge box. This is the first ever Bell and Ross on the channel, right? So quite a big this is a cardboard box, right? So let's try and finish this unboxing in 5 to 7 minutes, right? So let's crack on. So before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Saint Martin SM008G in homage to the Black Bay, right? So I don't think this is an homage to the Black Bay 58, rather it is in between those two, Black Bay 58 and the normal Black Bay. But yeah, I've done an unboxing video for this particular piece and I will be doing a full review soon, right? So let's get back to this Bell and Ross big huge box, right? So we've got the outer box and we've got another box in the, I think this is I'm not really sure whether it's a real leather or not, but still nice box indeed. And let's put that inside and put the sleeves back on. Righty. Okay, so before I completely forgot this. I didn't just bought a Bell and Ross, but I borrowed it from my buddy Mr. WK from chrono.path on Instagram, right? So let's see what's inside. Boom, right? So this is Bell and Ross's dive watch, I think, right? So I've took a quick sneak peek, right, and see what's inside. And yeah, this is another awesome, not so little watch. I think this is 42 millimeters in diameter. So yeah, we'll get to that to the dimension in the full review. So I think this is 42 millimeters in diameter and about maybe about 48 millimeters from lug to lug. And right, so the thickness, I think this thickness, it looks the same as this one, so maybe around 11 to 12 millimeters, so very thin, and with a lug width of 22 millimeters, right? So here this quite okay. So this end of the bracelet, so check out that, guys. So this is a female end link, so the articulation is very nice. So yeah, wow, this the bracelet. Check out the bracelet, guys. Very smooth and supple. We have a combination of brush and polish in the middle. So yeah, very simple clasp here with a dual push button with a 3 micro adjust, and this one featuring a screwed links, right? So we've got this Bell and Ross stamp class in the middle, embossed, right? So yeah, embossed from the back, right? So at the back we have that Bell and Ross movement. This looks like an ETA, or maybe it's a Celita. Of course, I'm going to be confirming that in the full video review. Before I totally forgot, the model number for this particular piece is BRV292S01290. Wow, that is a long model number, guys. Stainless steel, water resistant steel, 100 meters, but it comes with a screw down crown, right? So I don't really know why they give it 200 meters, 100 meters of water resistance, right? So yeah, quite a nice, I think this is about 6 millimeters screw down crown with a crown guard there, and very nice resistance. So yeah, very nice screw in action as well. And check out that what do you call this, stainless steel bezel insert, right? So stainless steel bezel insert with a brown, a bit of a bronze-ish color, right? So okay, so yeah, let's call it bronze color then, right? So bronze color with a blue stainless steel insert, quite a thin one. And check out that dial. The indices are also in bronze color. I think that those indices are applied with a second hands, right? Check out that bronze color second hands with the counterbalance. Looks like a, what is it, Lockheed air jet, right? So supersonic jet, right? So and the long hands is the minute hands that is reaching far out until the indices, until the minute indices. And that you see the beautiful, I think this is a brush and also polish, brush on one side and polish on one side, our hands there. And we have this beautiful, right? Let's say it again, beautiful sunburst dial with a stamp, with an applied indices, with that window which is located on the 430, and check out that color coded or color match date wheel, and yeah, it is symmetry, so it is sitting upright up front, so it is vertical, so not slanted, so that is cool. Bell and Ross logo printed on top at the bottom at the bottom of 12 o'clock, and automatic water resistant 100 meters, right? So but immediately you see here that this thing does not come with Loom. Oh no. So of course it comes with Loom on the hour and also on the minutes, but there is no Looms on the indices, which indicates to me that this is another dress dive watch, right? So dress style dive watch, I don't know. Anyway, so let's check out the case. So polish finishing from on the side and brush finishing up top. You know what, very very nice looking watch, but shame it doesn't have that Loom that is supposed to be, a mandatory for a dive style watch, right? Oh, before we go for the wrist check, let's check out the bezel action. Yep, quite nice. There is no no back play whatsoever, so very very nice action indeed. And let's check, and let's put it on the wrist and see how it looks on my 6.75 inch wrist. And let's take off the SN008G Saint Martin there. Right, so I've used all the links that is available on this particular watch. So yeah, that is how it looks on my 6.75 inch wrist. Okay, so there, I think that's all, guys. Of course, this one features a sapphire crystal, and I don't think we have any anti-reflective coating here, but of course I will confirm that during the full review. And yeah, if you have any questions whatsoever regarding this watch, please do let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye. Oh yeah, before we completely forget, let's check out the Loom, although it does have just a little bit of Loom, and yeah, that is the only part of the watch that is Loom, so that is a bit of a shame, Bell and Ross, but still a very very nice watch if you can get it for a good price. So I think second-hand used price you can get this for about $1,500, but I'm pretty sure that the new retail price on this is about $2,500 or $2,000, something like that, right? So anyway, what do you guys think of this particular watch? So please do leave your comment down below and give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.